Hey everyone, it's Chalina Achol, the Sudani mommy. Yay! Welcome. For today's video, we will be revamping, making a cheap wig look nicer, and installing this wig with you guys on camera. I am sorry I lost the footage of me dyeing the roots brown, but I just used box dye part of the hair a little bit and just it was like an inch up, and then I rinsed it out. I wasn't obsessed. I did like how it turned out, but some of the brown faded into the rest of the strands of hair. So it was kind of brown where I wanted it to be like white. And I also used purple shampoo just to tone it. That was more effective than anything. The hair already came like a yellow brassy blonde. It wasn't brassy, it was like a yellow blonde. Yeah, this is just me getting it into the shape that I wanted it to. I'm using a heat protectant, Garnier Fructis, nothing special. My favorite is always Tresemme, but this got the job done too. Since the wig was kind of cheap, it was like $80-ish. I'll have it linked down below. It wasn't too much. So here you see me just blow drying it. Look how thin it is. That bothered me throughout the whole video, but throughout the whole time I was even wearing this hair. But it came out cute in the end because I can finesse a wig. And I'm gonna show y'all how to finesse a wig. Having the brown roots at the bottom gave it a really natural, elevated, expansive look to it, which I was really happy about. This Tinashe wig, 613 blonde. Here you go, just see me blow drying it all the way through. I'm gonna let y'all just enjoy watching me blow dry and straighten it a little bit, and come back when I'm ready to install the wig. All the equipment, T-clip, wig stand, wig head, all that will be linked down below. Don't worry, bro, I got you. But yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Here I'm about to go in and mold my hair back with some mousse I was using before I start plucking my hair. I just wanted to throw in this little tidbit because I got a new set of tweezers from this lash extension kit that I was going to try and do. I bought off Amazon. During the pandemic I thought I was going to be a lash tech, but it didn't work in my favor. But I do really love these tweezers. They're really sharp and really pointy. That are dangerous actually, but they're great for plucking your hair. So I use them to pluck my hair now. Silver, it didn't go full white. The purple shampoo I should not have left as long as I did, and even like putting the brown roots kind of like darkened this up a bit, but I still really like it. Turned out well. Let's install this wig. First things first, I am going to put some alcohol across my hairline. Just a little edge control to push back my baby hairs.
Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why you say say my name? No one is around you. Say baby, I love you. You ain't running game.
I'm using this free spray by Aussie.
Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. What is up with this? Tell the truth. Who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my clique? I'm trying to change it now. See you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice or the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I'm assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you're acting strange. If nobody's holding you back from me, I know how you usually do. When you're saying everything to me is untrue, I want you to tell the truth. If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Sudden change, say my name. If ain't nothing changed.
And now I'm about to add a little bit of foundation. I'm just using my regular foundation.
Acting kinda shady. Better say my name.
I'm just using my MAC powder. It's like medium to full coverage. I liked my Fenty powder, foundation powder, but I broke that. Bold Hold Active. Bold Hold Active. Oh. The more surface area for your glue, the better. Because it just gives more space for your lace to hold on to. Better grip. Here is my wig. I haven't named her yet. I'm leaning towards something with a K. Yeah, Kenzie. I'm feeling that part in this. And like rubbing it thin, super thin, kind of helps it dry faster as well. I'm actually gonna spray it down first and then cut my lace and tie an elastic band on it. I almost don't even want to cut these because they just look so cute. But yeah, while that is melting, we're gonna leave that to melt for a sec. And then I'll come close out the video and show you guys the finished product while I have to do my edges too. I think it's like super flat. Like I spent a lot of time straightening my hair and I've never had my hair this flat. I need to add some volume to it. And it's like thinner towards the ends, which is bothersome. But that's how the wig came. I do what I can. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I took off my elastic band, beat my face. I'm actually going to the Kesha concert shortly. It's in an hour. So yeah, now I'm just about to do my baby hairs. Put a little foundation, like, dude, I don't even know what kind of lace this is, but I melted it. I melted it. Edge booster. Say my name, say my name. I don't know, I kind of like the fluffy, just like hangout look, so I'm not thinking of doing anything with that. A little bit of my foundation color, like right through the middle, because the lace was like tan white. I feel like it's so like light, not the color wise, but like the hair, it feels like there's not that much hair in it, but that's what happens when you get wigs, you know? So now I'm just trying to add like some volume. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this long journey today of finally getting my hair almost white. It's close. It's Chelina and Joel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful and maybe you learned a thing or two or some new tricks. The watercolor method saves so much time, so much energy. One reason it even took me this long is because I wanted like darker roots. Like I just grew this out of my head, like I'm half Russian and shit. But yeah, that is it for this video. Stay tuned to more hair videos and hair chronicles. Love you guys. Bye. If you took it there, first of all, let me say I am not the